Hello beautiful people, welcome to my YouTube channel again. If this is your first time here, thank you for clicking this video. DerinsCorner is all about showing you how to make delicious and nutritious recipes using regular ingredients you would find in your pantry, in your local store or in your local market. On today's episode of DerinsCorner, I'm going to be showing you how to make quesadilla, and this is something you can pack for your kids' school lunch. You can also eat it as breakfast. And but before we go into the recipe, why don't you click on the subscribe button if you're yet to do so. You can also click on the bell sign so you get notified when I have new videos up. Let's start with the list of ingredients. You're going to start with putting a knob of butter in your pan, which is already on the gas stove at low to medium heat. You're just going to spread the butter in the pan and coat the pan evenly with the butter. Then the next thing you're going to be doing will be to put the tortilla slice on the hot butter in the pan, and then you're going to spread your cheese evenly on that. So go for whatever level of cheese you're comfortable with. I'm still trying to do like a fit farm, so I'm not going to be using a lot of cheese, and my kids are not like all so cheesy anyway. The next thing I'm going to be doing will be to add my turkey slices, and you could decide to use a different type of protein if that works for you, and so just go ahead and put whatever protein you prefer on the tortilla wrap that's been coated with cheese. So next you'll be covering with the other tortilla bread, and you're just going to press it down slightly. Once the bottom tortilla is properly toasted, you're just going to flip it around and allow the other side to also toast. So I forgot to mention during my intro that this isn't just an ordinary quesadilla. It's actually an egg in a hole quesadilla, and I'm going to be using my pie cutter, which I got from Kitchen Joints, to cut a hole in the middle, and I'm going to be cracking my egg into that hole. You can also get this pie cutter if you're interested. I'm going to be placing a link in the description button, and you can also go ahead and order. When you order, you get 10% off using coupon code DerinsCorner. So go ahead and check out the link below. So I've just cracked the egg in the hole, and I'm just going to allow the egg to cook to the level and consistency I want. So some people actually prefer it to be well done, some people prefer it to be sunny side up. So I'm going to be doing the two just for you guys to see and decide on whatever works for you. So this is well done egg in a hole quesadilla. So I'm just going to transfer it to my plate, and I'm going to top up with my favorite fruits. I'm using kiwi, grapes and blueberries in this particular one. So for this other one, which is the sunny side up, you can see that the egg yolk is still running. I've just topped up with avocados, and so that's it guys. Just go ahead, eat and enjoy. This is very nice. For your kids' school lunch, you can actually use like a pizza cutter to cut it into pieces and put it in the lunchbox, and I'm sure they would love it. And so if you love this video, don't forget to share as much as you can, and also please leave a comment in the comment section, and also give me a thumbs up if you're gonna be trying it or if you love the video. Thank you and have a great day. Bon appetit.